So now if I were to actually go around and then take a regular paintbrush tool, you can see that I have a soft brush right here. So I actually have changed the settings, so you can see double brush right here, but I can go ahead and then change this out. Let's say, for example, remove out all of these just like this right here. And then even if I were to do that, you can see that you got a very soft brush right here. But if you want to go ahead and work around with a single pixel, if you want a harsh brush, then what you can do is you can click and hold and then use the pixel tool right here. So by default, you get one pixel option. So if I were to go around and zoom in, you can see a pixel right here. So now you can actually go ahead and then add one pixel right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and, let's say, for example, use the pixel art right here, just like this, to go ahead and make something out right here, just like this. Or if you want to go ahead and, let's say, for example, change a particular pixel right here, like this one, you can go ahead and use, let's say, for example, the sample tool right here. And then you can go ahead and use the pixel tool right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead right here and select this tool. You can go ahead and then change it in a pixel level as well. So I can go ahead and change this out. Let's say, for example, then I can go around over here just like this as well, and then go around over here onto pixel tool, and then go ahead and click right here just like this, and make pixel level changes right here just like this as you want. So with the pixel tool, what happens is that compared to the regular brush tool, you can go ahead and click and drag, and you can see that it is quite harsh. You can go ahead and change around the pixel size as well. Click and drag this out, and this is what you have. You can change around the opacity of a level right here, just like this. You can change the flow level as well to make it much more softer if you want as well. And then you can go ahead and change around the flow level. You can utilize stabilizer as with any other tools right here, different types of stabilizers that is, and even go ahead and change around the blending modes as you like, and then change around how it actually works as well. So you can go for the erase mode, you can go for the background color mode, and so forth as you want. So that is simply how you can go ahead and utilize out the pixel brush tool. And basically what you can do with it is you can work around with the pixel right here, individual pixel as you want right here, just like this in detail. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.